three dispensations of the Holy Spirit. This first dispensation of the Holy Spirit, the sending of the Holy Spirit, is represented in this dove. It goes out of the ark. It cannot find rest because there is still sin over the earth, in people's hearts. The sin issue of man hadn't been dealt with by Jesus because it's before the cross, before the atonement of Jesus. The Holy Spirit only rested upon people and then it returned to the Father. That is the first dispensation of the Holy Spirit. The second dispensation or sending of the Holy Spirit is represented by the dove being sent out of the ark, and then later it does return, but it returns with an olive leaf in his mouth. Now, what does that mean? The olive leaf, in biblical terms, let me read this for you. In the Bible, the olive leaf represents hope, peace, and the restoration of God's creation. The dove returning with a freshly plucked olive leaf signaled that the floodwaters had receded and new life was starting to sprout on earth. So the olive leaf represents Jesus, the birth, life, and ministry of Jesus. Wherever Jesus went, there was life. Life sprouted. The third dispensation or sending of the Holy Spirit is symbolized in Noah sending out the dove a third time, and this time the dove doesn't return. That symbolizes the age of grace after the cross, the period of time that we are living in now. Now makes it possible for the Holy Spirit to come and indwell us. There's now resting place for the Holy Spirit to come and live inside us.